Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in the second week of my Sterling Ink Common Planner in the A5 size, and I'm decorating with some stickers that I actually just created over the weekend, and I will be releasing on Friday, January 12th. And they are my watercolor houses. I'm so happy with these because I never thought I could paint anything like this 2 years ago, let alone now. And I worked on them over the weekend, hand painted them on watercolor paper and then scanned them, and I just love the way that they turned out. So this is currently on the clear matte sticker paper, and I'll also be releasing them on the premium white matte sticker paper, and they will be available this Friday, January 12th. Let's get started. Okie dokie. So the first thing I'm going to do is put down a house. Just which one? And a circle, actually. Let's start at the top and then work our way from there. So put the number 8 here. And I'm going to use this washi from the Washi tape shop just to add a little bit of extra color. There we go. And then what I'm going to do is take maybe one of these washi strips and go across, or just place a house. Gosh, these are so cute. Let's place a house right here. Oh my goodness. Or actually, I want to place that house right here, but then my traveler's notebook clip is in the way. There. Oh, I love that. And then I'll place, I think, the green one here. Although now that the washi tape is down, I don't actually like it. So let's take that off carefully. Thank you very much. And maybe just place another one. I'm going to place this one down here with, I think, the washi that I'm going to grab. It's going to be this one. It's my go-to washi. I love this. And I haven't decided what I'm going to use this bottom portion for yet, so I'm going to leave that a little bit open. Then cut this washi right down the middle. Maybe place this up here. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Then on this side, we'll put the big green sticker over here. And then I'm gonna put this house here. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh, how cute, how cute. Then maybe put that beautiful day in the neighborhood over here with a circle maybe. So let's do this red circle, which I haven't done yet. I'll actually put it on this side, which is something I never do. And then place that here with the beautiful day in the neighborhood quote. Oh my gosh, I love it so far. No, actually this quote's gonna go, where's it gonna go? You know what, I'm gonna put it right here. And neighborhood is spelled in the way that I would spell it in Canada, so sorry. Okay, the next thing I am going to do is write down my work shifts down on this side. Now I'm trying to figure out which pen am I gonna use. And the pen I'm gonna use is my Le Bon Tarocco in Pinnacle, and this has a Birmingham Pen Co. custom mix made by my friend Katie. And I'm just going to write down my graph to measure out my sleep score. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And people have asked me, why do you write R for Thursday? And it's just a habit from university. University are always denoted Thursday. And it just worked out that way. And then workouts. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And now that I've done that, I feel like I could have put a little bit more here. So then what I'm also now going to do is take my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen and write in my work shifts. And I'm also working this evening. And then I'm going to place these on top. So let's start with blue. And then work our way across with the different colors. I love these ink swatches. I love how they match the colors in the spread, and the ink swatches are also hand painted by me just to make sure that I get the exact color that's in the painting as well. Perfect. And I think, let's see, what do I want to do the lines as? If I go, because I'm just thinking, do I have anything inked with that blue right now? I'm going into my currently inked journal, and the closest I would have is with that molten tin. Let's give that a try. I'm just going to do a little sample up here, and it actually, that ink turns into a nice, that color, but I feel like that color would be too light for that. So let's try, or that color would be a bit too gray for that. So maybe actually I'm going to use my Parker Slim Fold that has Diamine Earl Grey, because there is gray, Diamine Earl Grey in the, what's it called, in the painting as well. So let's go ahead and draw in the arrows. So I've also discovered that I'm gonna draw the arrows along where the hours are, because if I write it, if I write it one column in or one grid width in, it removes space for me. So this makes sure that I am getting all the space that I need in that column. And then, okay, perfect. And then what I'm going to actually add here down at the bottom is habits. Something new to try for myself. I'm going to go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I'm going to basically be following the habits that I have on my yearly. So I have meditation, 10 to 15 pages, and then audiobook. And then I will check them as I go. All right, so now that the ink has dried, I'm going to go in and write in different things that I'm going to be doing on a day-to-day basis. So my to-do will be to meal plan and order groceries. And then Tuesday night is garbage night, so we will be taking out the garbage bins. So let's flip through these. There. These ones from Paper Bits Co. are adorable. Placing those here. Put out garbage. And then Wednesday we actually have our cleaner coming. So the cleaner will be here from 9 a.m. to, where am I gonna put that? So the cleaner is here from 9 a.m. to 2, which I get once a month, and I am so happy for that. Thursday is grocery day, so Rob will be picking up the groceries at the usual time. Oh, I forgot that I am now folding laundry twice a week, just to be able to stay on top of it. As the kids get older, their clothes also get bigger, so it's just better, if that makes sense. Their clothes are bigger, so it needs more space in the washing machine. So fold laundry. Okay, Friday, there are a few things happening, which I'm very excited about. So Friday, I'm going to use these. Friday at 10:20, I have a, so at 10:20, I have a massage. And I've got an hour and a half for that, which I'm very, very excited about. And then after that, I have a manicure. So at 12:30, I have a manicure. And then that afternoon, and then I will pick up my kids and then take them for boba. Going to be cutting it very, very close, but it will be worthwhile for sure. Boba with kids. Okay, and then Saturday, don't think I have any plans as of yet. And then Henry has his ninja on Sunday. He didn't go last weekend, but because he wanted to spend time at home with me and Rob. So there we go. 11:30. Henry at Ninja. Perfect. All right. So I think what I'm gonna do is just leave it at that. I've left this space open for anything else that I feel like adding, but I also want to actually add headers to these because I think they look better with the headers. And voila. And then down here as well, although how is that brown going to look under the brown? Brown on brown. Okay, that works. Perfect. All right, so do I feel like I need to add anything else? I know this section looks very, very blank, but I like it that way because I'll show you how I used my planner last week. It's mostly full except for this weekend because I haven't filled it in yet, but you can see how I filled it in with my day-to-day, and I've really enjoyed being able to do that. So it looks very blank now, but as the week goes on, I will be filling that in. And I'll also be filming my daily journal. So how I plan in the daily pages in the back, I will be filming that, and then that will be released next week. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. Remember, this collection comes out on Friday, why do I keep saying December? January 12th at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And that will be released on my shop KarinaLovesToPlan.com. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and have yourselves a great day.